What have you got, Susio?
There's termites in the wood. So once you tap, the alarm system alerting everyone.
Oh my gosh, that's spooky. So these are termites, and they have lots of mortal enemies. There are lots of things that love to eat termites. So what they do is they all together rattle their heads against whatever they're surrounded by. And it creates this ripple of sound. It sounds like something big and frightening. And this is one of their defences. Can I listen through the headphones? Oh, it's like an alien. Very cool. Thanks, Susio. That was awesome.
Welcome.